Let's dive right into this quick explainer on how to install Nova TV on your streaming device.
First things first, launch the official downloader app and click the search bar right at the top.
You'll want to enter this exact code, 6477876. Once that's in, just hit go.
Wait for the APK to download, click Install, and then hit Done. Don't launch it just yet.
Head back to Downloader and hit Delete twice. This dumps the install file to save you space. Now, enter 255931 for the Troy Point toolbox. Nova TV actually needs an external video player to run. So scroll down, find B Player, download it, install it, and just hit Done. Easy, right? Okay, you're good to launch your shiny new Nova TV app straight from your device's menu. When it opens, click Launch Anyway, allow the storage permissions, and accept that quick disclaimer.
Now, for those high-quality links, we highly recommend integrating a premium Debread service. It's a game changer.
Go to Settings, pick Login to Real Debread, and enter the code they give you on their website.
To stop annoying ads from freezing the app, use Surfshark VPN's Clean Web feature instead of sketchy, modded versions. Simply launch Surfshark, head over to the Features tab, and flip the Clean Web toggle on.
Nova TV is great because it passes virus scans, integrates smoothly with Debread, and actively updates links.
Just keep in mind its legal status is unverified, and you won't find it in official app stores.
So are you ready to fire up a VPN and securely manage your new streaming ecosystem?